Hey, Vicky. Vicky! Where you going? Where you going? What you doing? Talk to me, sweetheart. Talk to me. Oh, Vicky, Vicky. Oh, chicken, chicken, chicken. Hi, Vicky. Hi, baby. How's my Vicky, Vicky? What are you, Vicky? What are you? What are you? Other than too cute for words. Nope, it's a button. It's a pillow. It's dust. Well, you're just finding everything. Oh, that's my Vicky. Hi. She wants on my shoulder. This is the chicken who thinks she's a parrot. She sees all the other ones doing stuff and she's decided, well, I'm one of them. And she's up on the shoulder.